Okay, so we are on to our next fabulous guest. It's all girl power today in studio. I've got Dr. Katerina Gallus from Restore SD Plastic Surgery.
Hi, Cindy.
Welcome back.
Thanks.
We love having her on the show. She's a regular. She's such a great resource. So we are going to talk today about a few things. So Mother's Day is coming up.
Yes.
We want to have the best skin we can. So we're going to talk a little bit about a peel that you have for us.
Yes. So the Safe at Home Peel is, I think I've mentioned the Illumi MD products before. They're clean medical grade skincare. So physician dispensed, but clean. And the enzymatic peel is super popular. It can be done on its own or offered with the other products to do like a 6-step system. And you get a very light peel, kind of like a tingling sensation. It's gentle enough to use more than once a week. You can use it 1 or 2 times a week.
Wow.
And it really keeps your skin turnover going so that when you can get back into the office for some real peeling, it's less to slough off at that point. So
well,
yeah.
I love the Illumi. You guys saw, I've been using the products. I noticed a lot of difference in my skin, the pigment, just everything. I love that they're clean products, which is really important. So with the peel, like what would you say people can expect from it?
So the idea is to apply it to a clean face for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll feel like a little bit of tingling, And then for lighter skinned people like you, might get a little red, a little pink. And then at the 5 to 10 minute point, you just wash it off, and you can add either a recovery balm or a serum. And the pinkness goes away and you start to feel better and you just get cleaner, glowier skin.
And who doesn't want that?
I know.
I mean, we have time, right, to work on our skin?
Yes.
So let's work on our skin. I love that. So you also have an idea for Mother's Day, the Daily Defense Duo.
Yes.
Right? Let's talk about that.
So we are promoting the Safe at Home Peel, which is a package you can get with all the other products with the enzymatic peel. But the Daily Defense Duo is a great idea for Mother's Day. It's our sunscreen, and then the award-winning vitamin C and E with peptide. That product's amazing. Antioxidant, brightening, and then the peptide strengthens your skin. It's a really amazing serum, and it usually comes in a box of 3, which I think I demonstrated before. You don't activate the C until you actually get it.
It's pretty cool. It's scientific. I love it.
Yeah, and then, but if you're gonna use a brightening product, it's important to protect your skin. So I just had this conversation with somebody. You don't want to spend money on skincare if you're not going to protect it. It's just, you know.
It's like people that go and they get a laser peel and then they go in the sun. You're like, no, you can't.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So, okay, so what do you recommend for people? They talk to you first virtually, right? They do a virtual consult with you so that you can look at their skin?
Yes, so we do recommend that you contact me for a virtual consultation. Either myself or one of my medical estheticians can talk you through what your skin type is, because you know, it's not a one-size-fits-all for everyone. This particular vitamin C and E product is very universally accepted, and sunscreen is, everyone should use some sunscreen.
And when you think you put enough on, you didn't put more.
That's right, that's right. And actually May is Melanoma Awareness Month.
Oh, wow.
So it's really important to start thinking about sun protection and sun care this month.
It's that time. Okay, so basically, if you mention the Pulse SD, right, you're going to get a $100 gift card for $80 to use towards injectables and skincare.
Yes.
Right now.
Yeah. So we're slowly opening our offices now, and we're offering those gift cards. So you can buy one for yourself. You can buy some for your mom. That's another great Mother's Day gift idea.
Well, and so you guys are kind of taking appointments right now for the end of.
Yes, we're taking by appointment only.
Okay.
And we're still assessing each patient to determine if they're better suited with a virtual consultation or an in-office appointment.
Well, and that kind of leads me to my next question, because the ban on elective surgeries is going to get lifted too, right? So there's a lot going on, especially in your world. So can you educate us, because you're such a great resource, at what can we expect if we're going back to our doctors? Like, what are the new protocols?
Sure. There has been, as a physician involved in national societies and part of the California Medical Association, there's tons of information coming at us all the time. And so trying to make the most sense of that and then how that works applies for your office versus a busy pediatrician's office. But some of the basics is that social distancing is going to be followed. So you shouldn't be seeing busy waiting rooms where people are just kind of hanging out. A lot of offices like my own will be offering, you drive and park and then call us, or we text you and let you know it's okay to come up to the office, and then we'll direct you right to your exam room.
Wow.
So that's one way of kind of keeping everybody separated. Another thing is everyone's masks starting today. If you're going to go outside or go to the grocery store, that mask is required. And you will be seeing all our staff with masks on, and we'll expect our patients to be wearing them too.
Well, what about like touchless pay and stuff like that? That's going to happen too, right?
We have touchless pay. We already had that. But yes, our Brenda, who's our front desk coordinator, will check people out, and she can just do it all from her desktop right there. You can stand 6 feet away and let us know what that information is, and we'll work with that. We're all washing our hands. Our office has a protocol where we're cleaning everything 3 times a day in addition to in between patients. And I would say most physicians' offices are taking those precautions.
So it's a whole new normal for us.
Yes. If you remember during heights of flu seasons, oftentimes when you went in a doctor's office, they said, here's the Purell, here's a mask. If you're feeling sick, please don't come in. Mm-hmm. It's sort of like that, but every day and a little heightened.
So any other advice that you can give us, because you're such a great resource when it comes to, skin, or just like maybe pivoting with your business? Give us a tip today, because you always have such good tips.
I guess I'm going to go back to the sunscreen option. Everybody wants brighter skin, and hyperpigmentation is like the new thing to tackle. Nobody wants that, but you're earning that hyperpigmentation every time you go in the sun. And the left side of your face is often more damaged than the right because of driving.
When you're driving, right?
So it's important to wear sunscreen all the time and protect your skin against aging, pigmentation, and most importantly, skin cancer.
Well, we love it. You're such a great resource. Thanks so much for being here. And you guys, the website, we have everything up, but it's restoresdplasticsurgery.com. And then I want to mention thPulse SD. You guys get a $100 gift card for $80 to use towards injectables. So many great ideas for moms for Mother's Day. And hopefully you and I will do an Instagram Live with the peel.
Yes.
Because we've gotten a lot. You were on the Instagram Live too, so we talked a little bit about that. But I want to kind of demonstrate it, because I think that would be super cool. And you said it takes like 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
Stay tuned for that.
We can do that.
Maybe that'll be Wine Wednesday, or maybe not. Maybe we shouldn't have wine with the peel.
It'd be okay. As long as we put a timer on. You don't want to forget.
Lose track of time.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for being on the show. I really appreciate it. We love having you.
Thanks.
And you guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. We hope we brought you a half an hour of some good positive vibes, local stories, inspiration, resources for you. Support those local businesses. Stay safe out there. Don't storm the beaches, because we don't want to lose access to...
We do not want to be Orange County.
No, we don't want to be Orange County, guys. So please, whatever you do, let's abide by these rules so that we don't lose access to the hiking trails and the beaches. I ask you, please do us a favor and be safe out there. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time when we put our finger on the pulse of San Diego. Bye, guys. Happy Friday.